In a forgotten attic, a dusty typewriter sat, keys whispering secrets of the past. Each night it typed on its own, letters forming words that no one dared to read. The air grew thick with dread as the typewriter's clacking echoed through the house. A sinister lullaby. One night, a curious soul dared to read the words, only to find their own name etched in ink, followed by a chilling prophecy of doom. The typewriter's keys began to bleed, staining the paper with crimson truths. As the prophecy unfolded, reality twisted and the reader's fate was sealed. The typewriter's final message? I cannot escape what is written. Like, comment, and subscribe for more stories like this.